Righto, good morning. Today I'm gonna finish or try to go further with my JoJo's tank installation. I'm gonna start putting pipes in from here, from there right through the bottom, and then right down at the corner where the motor is gonna be, the pressure pump or the rest of the stuff. I'm just gonna get my pipes, and here's those blue pipes. You can see that you can't go too thin because of the suction side of your pump. Otherwise there's not enough flow, so they recommend this type of pipes. And I've got a lot of, you can see a lot of fittings here, a whole bag full of fittings and non-return valves, and a normal valve to isolate, and obviously when it's going to feed in the house, there's the galvanized fittings, like I think it's 1/4 inch fittings here. And then I'm gonna start putting the tape around and glue. Here's my PVC glue seal bond for the fittings and the pipes, the plastic ones. Okay, let's go. This is a union. We're gonna use the unions where you're gonna in the future maybe just need to undo or fix a leak or something. Then it's easy to work on it. So you just put a union in there. If you're going to glue this fittings, you take sanding paper and then you just rough it up a little bit inside, because it's not, otherwise someday it's going to leak. Like this, and then you take your pipe, make it also rough. Then you go and you put some this glue inside here, and you glue it there. Then you go and you go like this. You move it a little bit. There's it stuck. That's forever. Okay, the next job is just to look at the pump. You can see it is a 0.47 kilowatt Mac Afric. It's a Chinese made pump, and here's the diagram. Just to get the pump together, I made a little sketch from the tank, just to put just to make it, just when I go at the shop and buy all the fittings, so that I can remember what is what. And there's all the unions, and I put the right union again. The union, always put the union that you can disassemble the pump. If your pump is faulty, you take it in, buy a new one. You can always disassemble it. Then there are pipes you have to cut, and here's from the pipe from the motor back, feed back into the house with a non-return valve and a valve. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the motor together to get the spacing right. Okay, just connect the motor, because this one comes separate in the box. The motor is now connected to this connection. Is seker maar 'n type of relay in here connection, that when the pressure is enough, it switches off the engine. They're just LEDs, and here's a reset knob. Some reset goes in there, and then it closes again. So so that is connected now, and the next is the fittings. Okay, so while you have the motor here, we'll take a piece of paper and just rub it with your hands, and it makes this marks. Then it marks the holes of the mounting. If it's on the floor somewhere you don't have indication, it's difficult to mark it here. Then you can go and someone take that template. Now exactly, because you have most now the corners here. There's a corner and there's a corner, so then you can go and just make drill holes it and then use on the roll bolts to fasten it. Okay, now this is where we're gonna feed in the house. There's a old tap outside. I extended, put a T-piece in and a nipple, and then here's a union. Should I want to work on here, I can loosen it, and here's the water now. So I'm gonna close here and open here when I need to feed it back into just a valve. So the water pressure is not unnecessarily lie inside the motor. But there's a one-way valve anyway, so but just to be able to isolate it. Now I'm just gonna, here's the other pipe here. Just gonna quickly make this fittings here and then I'm finished. That's it. That's the final product. There's a join. There it goes back. I can just close it here. Open and close here, and here's a tap for the garden hose. Okay, right, I'm gonna test the unit now. I'm gonna switch off this valve from outside. Municipality water is off now. Now I'm going to the motor and switch that on. And I open this valve out of the tank. Just run it over extension at the moment. I'm not gonna, I didn't put in the supply yet. Now you can see. Just open to get the pressure gone. Just get all the pressure out here in the system. This is just some water that was left. Okay, now I'm gonna switch on. Let's see this thing, how many bar. It's supposed to be 6 bar, like 6 bar in a household. I'm gonna switch the engine on. There's a leak here. It's gonna fasten here. It's running, but there's nothing happening. And they just release the pressure here. Just get all the water out here. Well, the motor is not running. Maybe we must just reset it. There, I reset it. There's a failure. Now what failure is that now? The non-return valve is here, and there, oh no, something is wrong here. The gauge is not coming up. Maybe we must set it. You just press this button again. Okay. nothing is happening. Maybe there's some air in the system or something. I'm just gonna open here. Maybe I need to there it's coming. So I just need to be primed. There's a air in the system. Let's check here. Look here. Look there. Yo. Wow, it goes like better than it was before. So here's the, just need to fix this thing here. Let's just see where it stops. Now I'm just gonna switch it off. Just gonna first fix this leak here quickly. Okay, I found there's no O-ring here, so I just put some PTFE tape there and then to seal it, and then hopefully it will work now. So maybe I must prime it again. I'm gonna switch it on again. Let's just see where it goes. You can adjust it here on the top. I just want to see where it goes. Here, there's about 3 bar. And let's just go this again. So then it goes down. Obviously it will start again now. There it goes again. Let's test it here. Let's see. I think the water pressure is enough for, you can see when the machine starts again and then it goes down and then it moves again. So there the pressure goes down, down, down. So it maintains this. I think it's enough to shower and use the toilet. So this rainwater that comes out now here. Okay, this is my pressure pump installation. I think that will be adequate for the household. Doesn't want to waste water. For now, I hope you enjoy this video, and then after I put in the electrics plug, I'll just follow up with that. And ciao, cheers and goodbye.